much liquor known to make you call a
Hey, pretty gangs, Garage Nate TV here, back with another video. And today, y'all, we're coming to you guys with another vlog. Okay, that's better. If you are new here, hello, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey guys, love you so much. Thank you so much for tuning in. Yeah, let's get right into this vlog. This week, I have been doing a lot as usual, guys. Y'all already know. We had a couple store runs and stuff like that. Okay guys, so I'm not gonna lie, kinda gotta run to Walmart. Yeah, I'm hungry. I want some steak and some potatoes for dinner tonight. So we gonna have to make that happen because girl, she hungry. So we gonna have to take a little break and go to Walmart, and then we gonna come back. I was working on this a lot. If you follow me on my social media, you guys know I have been crocheting like crazy, getting this inventory done, getting it out the way because we're coming. Mama, what do you want, little girl? Just ready for this season. I'm very excited for it. And you guys are too, so that's why I got y'all on this video. I promise, I got y'all. Other than that, I cooked a couple times this week, running errands, playing with the kids, messing with the kids. Yeah. She's saying, say mama, because I always be like, say mama. So that's what she's saying, say mama. Yeah, go, go. ESM just posted a new video on our couples channel, so if you guys want to go check that out, go ahead and do that. Well, let me think. By the time this video is uploaded, that video should definitely be uploaded. I have been working out, of course. Today was a good workout day, though. As y'all can see, I'm not really sweating a lot because my body would not let me push myself like that today. Look, I'm tired, y'all. I need to look up and see when people be working out, how often do they take a break, because it looks like this is day 4 and day 5 is not going to be a thing until the next day because I'm tired, y'all. So let me know when y'all work out. What do y'all do to be able to do that shit every day for a whole week? See ya. Don't let me forget about the workouts, y'all, because I've been going crazy on the workout. Good morning, y'all. It is 9:58. Oh my god, y'all. I am literally freaking dripping. Like, I don't even want to touch myself. I don't know. My god. Oh, waiting on my tripod to pull up. So yeah, that's why I gotta hold my camera like a ghetto fabulous. Oh my god, I gotta go get a shower, y'all. Y'all see how I went? Actually went so good. Like, went by with a breeze this time because when I first started doing this workout, of course it was hard for me because I'm not a consistent workout eat. But yeah, this is day 5 and it went by so smooth. Oh, I am feeling great. Like, I always feel great after my workouts, but I did damn near every single last one of my workouts for the full 1 minute. Y'all be cheating. But yeah, I just don't want to push my body and strain a muscle or something, so that's why sometimes I be cheating. But I always make sure I make it for like 15 seconds. See you guys later. Bye. I'm like on day 6 right now. Tomorrow will be day 7. Guys, it is 9:52 Tuesday. This will be day 6 of my workout. Let's get into it. Oh, a hot mess, y'all. Hey y'all, I'm sorry I'm out of breath. I am hot and tired. I'm gonna go get cute for today because I've been looking like straight from workouts for the past couple days. You already know. So I gotta hurry up and get to my shower, y'all. But yeah, it was a good workout today. It was kind of lazy a little bit because I was a little tired. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I was just taking it easy on my body because Santa is such a bug, y'all. But yeah, see you guys in a little while. You guys see this, I'll probably be like on day. to make this really quick, as in high and by, because y'all see how the workout went. I gotta go shower. Y'all see you guys later. Bye.
8 or 9, I don't know. I can't think right now.
Hey y'all, so I'm doing my workout. Sorry if y'all can hear my fan, it's loud in here, I'm hot, but y'all. I'm gonna go get in the shower, start the day and stuff like that, and then I'll see you when we start working on this headband.
I used some NAIR this week on my legs, and you guys will see that. I don't like that stuff because it burns. I only use it because I don't like to shave my legs because I got long legs and it takes forever. So.
Okay y'all, so I'm done applying that stuff on my legs. That's to shave, by the way, for those of you who don't know. I actually don't like that stuff at all, but I don't like shaving a little bit more. So yeah, just on my legs though. That's all, only place it goes on my legs. If I don't pick up, I shave off.
I know I did my edges routine for y'all.
Did my edges, don't mind my edges. Yeah, after this I'm gonna get started on my business a little bit. Try to get done 4 headbands today. So see ya.
I suck at my edges, but I want y'all to see that I at least try. I be trying, y'all. So I went to my grandpa's house. You guys will see him.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No,
I'm
you're
messing
fine. I
up
got
your
this.
YouTube video.
Y'all know that's my whole heart and a half. I don't know if y'all know, but that's my whole heart and a half.
Do you watch my YouTube channel?
Well, I don't watch that stuff.
Wow, Papa.
I don't know how to get on there.
Would you make your... Never mind, I'm gonna ask you that later.
He throws down like y'all would not even. It was amazing as per usual.
Go ahead, you can pet him. See?
Aww.
See?
Look at this little boy.
Take it back.
I also went to the park. I went to the library just to run like some errands and stuff like that.
Hey.
Going, Nene.
What's up, guys? Today we're going to the library. We'll see you there. I'm tired, y'all. I have not been recording a lot. I didn't record my trip at the library, and it was so peaceful, and I just could not interrupt that, okay? We just gonna go play a little bit.
When I tell y'all my daughter was just sitting there the whole time, I'm gonna show y'all, I'm gonna insert some pictures.
Ready? Set. Ow, what the? Get up there. Ready?
Ready? Go!
Set, go!
She was not interested. You could not pay her to give a F about that part. That was funny, y'all.
What's up, y'all? So it is the next day. This is my rest day today. I'm not working out today. You know, I'm just gonna chill today. I need to go take me a cold ice bath because I am so sore. I wanted to work out today, but Sam was like, you need to rest today. I know I need to rest, so I'm gonna just go ahead and let that be the sign to rest.
We don't care. Let me tell you. We don't.
Tomorrow, we get back at it, sore or not, period. Let's start this day. See you in a minute.
Me and AV did his vowel sounds. Y'all gonna see that I'm gonna insert his education routine in there as well.
Put that on.
Hey guys. So
Hi guys.
we're just going to be doing AV's little learning segment that he does with his vowel sounds. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get into it.
Yeah. Good round.
Yep, first round. Ba,
Ba.
be,
Be.
bi,
Be.
ba,
Ba.
ba,
Ba. Da.
de,
De.
di,
Be.
do,
Do.
da.
Do.
F.
Cha.
Yeah, F.
Cha.
We're gonna get it. Ga.
Ga.
Ma.
Mom.
Me.
Didn't get your mama.
Me.
Me.
Good job, baby. So, what sticker you want?
A dollar.
Awesome.
Yeah. And my big one did too.
Good job. Okay.
And that's it.
Yeah. Good job.
Yeah.
Abby finishes vowel sounds now. We're gonna play on the computer on PBS Kids only. I recommend it. It's a great site. We gotta record our routine more because it's pretty cool. It's pretty fun.
Bye.
Bye.
Nope.
Oh. Bye. See you later. I don't feel pleasure. Bye.
Okay. See you guys. I want to record it. It's a lot. I do so much. Y'all know I do a lot, so. I don't have enough storage in the world to record my daily routine every day. So this week we have been working on our Colorly Love inventory. And what this is I crochet seasonal, guys, and I'm not going to make this a full video about my business, but I have been working on this a lot this week, so you guys might see this a lot in this vlog. But this is just seasonal, and it's because I'm the only one who crochets all my inventory, and I get a lot of orders. Like, I feel bad if I tell people I can't. So this year we're gonna mix it up and do it a little bit different. I will be crocheting my inventory first. Then I'll be letting people either pre-order. We're gonna see, guys, but it's gonna be about 6 weeks before launching of Colorly Love. So I will definitely keep you guys updated. Just be looking out for a video. Just been having a really good week. I cooked a couple times this week. I don't know what all I recorded for you guys as far as cooking, but I got y'all. I'm gonna show y'all. You already know.
Ogres have layers. Onions have layers. You get it. We both have layers.
And I also made this, guys, stuff that I'm wearing. I wanted to show you guys this because I want you to know that you can watch the things that I make when I make this video. I made this skirt that I have on as well, and I'm gonna show you guys. I did a little turnaround or whatever. It's cute, so comfortable, and this stuff lasts. It's just a little FYI, I guess. So if you're not subscribed already, go ahead and push that subscribe button so you never miss a beat on Ajane TV. Make sure you follow me on my social media at Ajane TV Spam, or you can follow my couples channel at Sam and Nay TV. You can follow my business page if you like my crochet and stuff. Follow my business page at Colorly Love Co. I'll have all that here for you guys and ready. And yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Bye.